folks from Canada, can I sell on eBay US?
You can. I don't know the exact deal about that, but many people do. I'm not sure how your shipping works. If you have a fulfillment center here that you use, then no problem. There is a minor problem with having an address for your business that differs from your shipping address. eBay might suspect you as being a drop shipper when you're really just shipping your items out of your warehouse or warehouse space that you lease. eBay doesn't mind you doing that, but there might be a little mix up at first whenever they might think you're a drop shipper if your address changes. I should look into this. I'm sorry, I don't know exactly how to tell you to do it. I do know that many sellers in Canada sell on ebay.com. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.